New at 5:30, mixed marks. That's what some say Florida's governor is getting for his messaging during this coronavirus pandemic. Some communications experts believe he has struggled to manage reopening expectations. And as Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders explains, it might even be slowing Florida's rebound.
Assistant Professor Josh Scacco says Governor DeSantis has a message problem.
It has fluctuated at times between a realism and optimism.
The University of South Florida political communications expert says DeSantis is painting too rosy a picture of Florida's reopening.
We're not shutting down.
Only to later roll back loosened restrictions. It's happening 2 weeks ago when DeSantis defiantly said,
We're not rolling back. No.
Only to have his administration restrict alcohol consumption at bars 10 days later as cases surged.
We're going to continue to take action to protect those who really are the ones who are vulnerable to this virus.
Balancing that particular message with, hope and optimism with the realities of where we are currently at is a challenge that many political leaders, not just Governor DeSantis, but other political leaders in this moment have also struggled with at particular times.
Scacco says amid a pandemic, this kind of thing could be dangerous, specifically citing masks. Research suggests 80% need to wear them in public to contain the virus's spread. And while DeSantis has consistently recommended use, he doesn't believe a state order is needed, and he's often seen without one at press briefings.
Good afternoon.
Statewide support for wearing masks, for example, is somewhere in the 75 to 80% range. So it's just on that cusp. By the governor modeling that type of behavior, it can potentially increase the number of individuals complying.
Mixed messaging also likely cost DeSantis favorability. University of North Florida polls showed a massive 72% approval rating last October, down to 51% by April. The numbers coming after DeSantis issued a safer-at-home order, one of the last to do so, following weeks of saying local control was a better choice.
We're a big, diverse state. If you look at New York State, obviously New York City, surrounding areas, some of the other places, they're just in a different situation.
Scacco believes DeSantis has started managing expectations more in recent news briefings, pointing to his honesty on recent budget cuts. But only time will tell if that holds true in the coming months as Florida continues to try and recover from COVID-19. At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News.